Have you ever wondered how the ancients maintained such harmony with their bodies and the world around them? Welcome to the fundamentals of the Ayurvedic diet, where food is not just sustenance, but a path to balance and vitality. Each item is a building block for the Ayurvedic diet, carefully chosen to align with the body's doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. But what do these doshas mean for us? Each of you is a unique blend of these energies. Vata, the air and space, governs movement. Pitta, the fire and water, controls digestion. Kapha, the earth and water, provides structure. Balance them, and you balance your life. The sage's words are a revelation. By understanding our individual constitution, we can choose foods that harmonize with our doshas. Warm, cooked foods pacify Vata. Cooling, light meals soothe Pitta. Energizing, spicy tastes invigorate Kapha. In this harmonious setting, meals become a joyful ritual, a celebration of life itself. The family finds balance, not just in their bodies, but in their relationships and their spirit. As the day ends, remember this ancient wisdom. Eating according to Ayurvedic principles is a timeless path to well-being and disease prevention, a practice as vibrant and essential today as it was thousands of years ago. Embrace this journey and let the harmony of Ayurveda guide you to a healthier, happier life.